Hello everyone. Today I am introducing this double hot 63 tons hydraulic press machine. This machine is being tested by our technicians. Its working area is 600 times 450 mm. This look is not fully installed yet. Let's looking at this way. Okay, you started. Please come closer, and you'll see. This machine is precision machining, CNC grinding finish processing, and then it was heat treated. Therefore, it has high durability. There are 8 thermostats here, double height hydraulic press. Let's open it and take a look inside. These lines have not finished yet. They are assembled according to international standards. It is suitable for us to make some silicone products, such as kitchenware, sporting goods, children's products, etc. It is ready to send now. Follow me, 拉1 says silicone matters.